This video is part 1 of 3 videos that cover setup and installation topics for the bioprocess container, or BPC, related to the thermoscientific DynaDrive single-use bioreactor, or S.U.B, at the 3,000-liter and 5,000-liter scales. It is based on the DynaDrive single-use bioreactor user's guide. Please refer to the user's guide for detailed instructions. In this video, we will cover the following topics: unboxing the BPC. The BPC is attached to the inside of a PVC shipping frame with 3D printed joints, referred to in this video as the scaffolding. This scaffolding, with the BPC attached, will be shipped to the customer on a pallet. The scaffolding will be surrounded by a cardboard box and banded to the pallet. Board edge and corner cardboard supports are shrink-wrapped to the box for added protection during shipment. Use a safety cutter to open and remove the outside bands and outer plastic wrap. Remove the cardboard siding and corner supports. Use 2 operators to transport the still-wrapped scaffolding from the shipping pallet to a cleanroom-safe plastic pallet before transferring to your cleanroom. Unpacking the BPC. Once the BPC scaffolding has been transported to the cleanroom, use a safety cutter to remove the 2 outer poly bags from the BPC scaffolding. As you unpack, check for any damages. It is important to be aware that the BPC is folded in a U-shape, with the condenser filter bracket and top ports on one side of the scaffolding, and the bottom support plate and bottom ports on the other side. Remove the BPC packing pillows from the center of the scaffolding and any bubble wrap and poly bags from the line sets. Begin removing the black elastic securing the BPC to the scaffolding. Note, do not remove the black elastic securing the condenser system yet. The scaffolding has quick-release buttons to assist in dismantling the frame. Remove the middle of the frame and the top PVC restraint bars. Remove the bubble wrap from the condenser filters. Note, use caution when handling the condenser system. Finally, remove the black elastic securing the condenser system filter bracket and carefully lay the condenser on top of the BPC. This concludes part 1 of 3 videos that cover setup and installation topics for the bioprocess container related to the DynaDrive single-use bioreactor at the 3,000-liter and 5,000-liter scales. Go to thermofisher.com/DynaDrive to view the full how-to video series.